Ladies and gentlemen, there are some fish drying here in the sun, which means one thing. We're back and we need to find somewhere to live because we are here for a considerable amount of time compared to our normal trip.
That's right, we are here for 3 months. Kinal and I packed up Max, flew to Singapore and then straight to Siem Reap. Our budget was $700 a month and we'd already checked out 5 places the day that we landed. One was like a dorm.
All right, false start.
One was brand new but felt like it was missing some bits. One was nice but it was a little bit too far away from town. And one was really nice but it was way too far out of town. So today, with the help of IPS and the Riel team who helped create a shortlist, we're going to check out 3 places and pick one of these to live in.
So place number 1 is here, BB Angkor Residence. It's in the Topple Road area. There's a nice cafe here called the Sauce Cafe. Looks pretty flush. And we'll go in and check it out. We're on the 3rd floor here. Okay, first impressions. This is quite nice and modern. They've got a gas cooktop, which is good, which I can cook some pasta and cook some sauce. We've got some pots and utilities, a range hood, so already we've got an improvement upon our kitchen at home because we've got a range hood above the cooking area. Big toaster. It's a nice area. Huh?
Do a steam clean.
Yeah, couch is a bit grubby, but what can't really expect much. That's our view when we watch the footy. Yeah, aircon, I like the fan. It's good. So we've got 2 bedrooms. So this is a small bedroom, so this could be for Khmer. At least these bathrooms look flash. And is there, okay, good shower head. There's not really, I mean, the dunny end's there and the shower's there. I mean, it's not, you're going to have a wet wee, but the rest of the bathrooms, I know, it's pretty good. This is pretty nice with the bowls and the glass. It's like a bloody hotel, actually. And it's nice and light in here, isn't it? This is really nice. Let's check the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
This is for me and Max.
Oh, yeah, right. So I get kicked out. So I'll stay in there with all my friends. You got a nice balcony too. The view's good. There's a bit going on. We're sort of in town and close to things, which is what I really want, to be close to things. There's a gold press down there. We'll have that removed and put a Camry in place if we choose this joint. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I do like this. Aircon in each room. No fans in there, in the rooms. No fan, so we'll have to have the aircon going. What's the master bathroom like? Aha, this is what I like to see. Perfect. Shower on one side, shitter on the other. That is exactly what you want. None of this cross-contamination between shower water and poop water. Can you try the bed out? Can you test the bed and your bed testing? How you usually do it?
Why? I forgot.
Oh, okay. Just sit on the bed.
What man's such a demanding...
I'm demanding. Jeez. Should we just leave this running for the next week and see how things change? This is what I'm after. What do you think?
So
is it comfortable?
demanding.
Is it comfortable?
A bit hard.
Bit hard?
Coming from our bed.
I know. Look, we're going to have to...
I know.
Certain things you're going to have to sacrifice here. So we've got a very expensive mattress. But look, we get ants with it. There's some ants on the bed.
It's not just because it's the soft one.
Did you hear what I said? There's ants on the bed.
Oh.
Yeah. But, yeah, it's alright. I got rid of them. As long as I don't bite, I don't care.
Is it going to break in half?
What, the crack?
Yeah.
Oh, look, that's a structural crack that needs to be there. Me and Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi clung? Clung! That's what I want to know. It's good Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Shoe rack, because we'll have 1 million people here. Ah, there's the Wi-Fi. TP-Link. Good router. Yeah. This is flash. What do you think? Looks alright.
So place number 1 was $650 per month. The positives were the location. Tarpool Road has everything. It was close to Pub Street, restaurants, cafes, supermarkets and convenience stores. The apartment was also spacious enough to have family over and for Max to run around and play, and it even had a washing machine and plenty of useful utensils for our convenience. What we didn't like was that there was no fans in the bedrooms. The second bedroom where I would set up my workspace had no natural light, which kind of sucked.
There's no window.
And in the main bedroom, this window had no curtain. But the building did have a pool and a gym for extra luxuriousness.
Okay, destination number 2. We are a bit off the beaten track here. It's literally 5 minutes away from the other joint. This is a bit more country, but we still seem to be near some stuff. Siem Reap Fit across the road here. You can get fit. It's Siem Reap. At Siem Reap Fit. Oh, should have been a marketing vlog. Anyway.
This one no pool.
Doesn't have a pool. No, it doesn't have a pool. But I think this is a bit more modern and lighter. Room 201. Wow, isn't this filled with light? My goodness. Okay. It looks very, very new. That's a nice big telly.
Same Buffalo couch.
That's Buffano's couch. That's right. Let's just try the couch out. So, okay, now we're sitting here watching the footy on that TV. How does this feel? Same. Great feedback. We're going to make some decisive decisions after this. We can't have this on the fence bullshit feedback. We've got to. Time is of the essence. A lot more light, isn't it? Shitloads more light. The sun's beaming in from over here. Let's check out the kitchen area. Nice modern kitchen. Check that out. Induction. No, Brian, you're a fan of induction. I'm not a fan of induction. I like gas. I like to know that something's burning to cook my food. This, excuse me, this is the balcony. This is west facing, and I can tell you, the heat coming off here, it's a lot. Like, you can really feel it. So that would require the curtains to be drawn, or that aircon to be running quite a bit. Sorry? Oh, there's another couch. Oh, wow. So is this the master bedroom in here? Must be. If you've got an extra couch, it's very nice. This is very light. I like the lightness of it. It's an okay setup, isn't it? It feels a lot nicer. There you go. Would you like to sit on this couch?
Huh?
Sit on the couch.
Sit.
Okay. Thank you. Would you like to now sit on the bed to do your bed test?
How much do I get paid for?
Nothing. You're paying.
Oh, nicer bed.
Do you think so?
Softer.
Softer?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's not as... Oh yeah, that's nicer. I didn't sit on the last one.
More expensive.
I was more concerned with the ants, but that's comfortable
The
enough.
last one was the usual.
Just hard like a rock. Let's check out the bathroom. Yeah, west facing. That sun is a bastard. Cupboard. Yeah, righto. Same thing. Done in next to no separation between toilet and shower. They could have just put a screen right there.
Yeah.
What's the other bedroom like? Similar? Where is it? Over here? Oh, yeah. Not bad.
Oh,
you thought it was... Did you think you were going into the bathroom? Well. Same as the last place. We thought they sputtered us on the separation, but this has got... Look at that. It's a full foot. It's a full foot's worth of separation. What's that? That's a...
Nothing.
That's probably a window or a door they've put in as a window. But I like to see that. I like to see a bit of creative carpentry. It is just so much nicer to have a light and feels more open. Let's have a look at the view.
Place number 2 was $550 per month. We loved how light and airy the apartment felt. The big windows with views of the village made for a very nice environment. The furniture felt modern, crisp and clean, and it was in a nice quiet location, but not too far away from the action. But this place was an absolute hotbox. Those big windows and no shade on the building meant that we would bake in there unless we ran the aircon 24/7, which would cost an absolute fortune. There was no luxurious gimmicks in the building either, so no lift, no gym and no pool. pool.
I found a pool for this place.
You found a pool? Oh, over there. Excellent. We've got a pool.
And although the semi-village location was cool, Kinal said the novelty of dirt road living would wear off pretty quickly, especially when it pissed down rain.
So Chandy has offered us one more place to look at. It's a fully serviced apartment. It is more expensive than both of those places, but it might actually mean that we save on some other things. And while we're here, we might as well take a look and show you guys what a real flash place looks like, or what we think a real flash place is anyway. Full disclosure, the first day we got here, we actually looked at a whole heap of places with Toho before engaging an agent. And we actually came here, but no one was around, but check what is actually here. It's a freaking, I think it's an Aventador. I don't know, but it's green like my Falcon. So at least they've got some taste. It's not lime frost. That's a Hurricane. I don't know my supercars. I like four-door sedans. Hence my collection of high-powered four-door sedans at home. Okay. First impressions in here. Righto.
Wooden floor.
Wooden floor.
First we use the toilet.
Hey?
Toilet.
Okay, first let's have a look at the dunny. Oh wow, look at the separation. That's like it's a country mile between the dunny and the shithouse. That's pure luxury. That is magnificent, look. Oh, that's a good sign. That's a nice big bathroom. Wooden floors. Yeah, it feels like they're cooling a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We've got a 3-burner. That's a nice big pot. That'll do me a bunch of passata. Look at that. That's a nice telly. Open the door, let the breeze through. Yeah, ceiling fans, I reckon it is, because it's the same style of fans. It's got the nice integrated air conditioning. Have a look at that, Brian. That's proper aircon, yeah, mesin in the roof. That's where it'd suck it in from and it'll blow it through here. That's really, really nice. Bedroom number 1. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Proper curtains, proper window. Bit dark, can't put the light on. Or can I? Where are the lights? Is there any lights? There's 2 lights. 2 lights there. Feels like the Coolum Hotel, to be honest. It's a nice heavy bed with a standard rock hard mattress. But what are you gonna do? This is what you get. Let's check out bedroom number 2, which I think is the primary bedroom, which is across the hall here. Oh yeah, geez, have a look at this. Have a look at that. Get the positioning right on that. How's your clearance? The old 4-poster. That's good if you're into that sort of thing. Yeah. But have a look at the clearance between the fan.
Oh. Living dangerously.
That's it. That's Khmer style. I like that. This floor is very noisy.
Yeah.
The floor. No, even just walking gently.
Yeah.
There's a lot of movement in it, so no chance of sneaking around. But more so, if Max is asleep and I need a charger cord, or you go, oh, where's my phone? You're not going to sneak in and get it because it's going to wake him up. Okay, bathroom number. Oh wow.
Oh, bathtub.
Oh, there's a bathtub. This is.
Bathtub and a shower.
Okay, there's nothing. This is what I was saying about like the use of space in these places. Like there's, look, when you shut the door, honestly, what are you going to do with that 4 square metres of open bathroom space? And they've got the shower and the dunny sort of just there.
Yeah.
It could have been designed a little bit better. But look, I do like the fact that it's nice and big here. Got a light. Sun's coming in from that direction. That's a big shower.
Can you get rid of this wall? Put the bathtub here.
You're already redesigning it.
And put the toilet here so you don't feel squeezed. It's
Yeah,
shitty.
well, you're going to have a squishy ship.
Oh, you feel like claustrophobic.
In more ways than one, if you eat from the right street food vendors. There is a balcony out here.
And
Yeah.
machine
Look at that. Oh yeah, washing machine. Oh, that's a nice. I like that view. Bit of destruction.
And then you can dry it in the bigger balcony area once you wash. And then you can see an ancient building.
Oh, that looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like it. Probably full of asbestos. There we go. First video in. First mention of the word asbestos. There's your washing machine wastewater. The drain goes into the stormwater. Well designed. What you want to see. Plenty of wardrobe space. Yep. This one's the same. Let's have a look at the balcony out here. There we go. That looks like an incomplete building across the road. Oh no, this is where the pool. A view of the pool, view of the tree, view of the servo. That's good. I could check out the daily petrol prices and report back. That'd be interesting to about 4 people. I like that. That's just classic Cambodia, isn't it? Just shit everywhere.
So this place also had a gym and a pool, and Kinal loved the space and the layout, but it was also $850 a month. So after trying to convince Chandy that my green Falcon and the green Lambo were the same,
Similar, see?
I then had to convince Kinal that we didn't need that last apartment. So, which one would you choose and why? Tell us in the comments. Stay tuned to find out which place we chose. And to set you off, here's some wisdom from Kinal.
That's weird when you have one night stand and you don't like the man or the woman, you escape. Oh, I'm just gonna go and have a shower and then bye.
Are you telling me something?
I'm not telling you
Is
shit.
that how this was designed? How do you know this? Who have you been talking to?
Jeremy.
Oh, oh my gosh. She said it, not me.